How to make sales without being pushy. Hey, my friend, my name is Justin Temple, and in this video, you're going to learn exactly how I make sales and exactly how I teach people to make more sales in their business, whether it's offline or online, to be able to make more money, live a lifestyle of freedom, and work from home. That's what I help people do. Maybe you're looking to build your construction business or whatever, but I personally help people make income from home and build pipeline income so that you can live at home or work from home and live the kind of life that you want, right? Spend more time with your family and things like that. So I used this simple strategy of how to sell without being pushy to become a top 200 affiliate out of over 100,000 people. And I got a message from one of the leaders in my company yesterday saying that I was a number 3 recruiter and that they wanted me to be on one of their trainings. I've never been invited on a live training. That was really awesome. So use this, okay, my friend? So how to make sales without being pushy. Um, let's get into it. The first thing is the mindset of it, and you're already wrong, uh, is where you don't want to make sales. Okay, the fact is that everything is sales. When you go get a job, it's you're selling yourself. Um, the girl that you like has other guys interested, right? So you got to be the peacock that's prettier. You know, you got to be the one that makes the flashiest show, or maybe she's just attracted to you, or that's just sometimes that's just how it works. She's just attracted to a certain guy, and maybe there's not other guys around that are like that, and that's just it's just a thing that happens. But you're in a sea of competition, everything, right? Everything. So even just getting a job, okay, if you mess up on the application and someone doesn't mess up on the application, they're gonna get the sale. Okay, they're going to get the sale, they're going to get the income, they're going to get the job, right? So everything is sales, and if you think that everything's not sales, you're wrong. You're wrong. Everything is sales. Okay, everything is sales. If you don't think that, you're wrong. All right, so now that you understand that everything is sales, let's move on to the next part, which is how to do it. Okay, how to make sales without being pushy. And the way that you do this is what most people do is they just try to sell anyone, right? And that's wrong, right? So you got to use your brain a little bit. So how to sell without being pushy is more about finding the right people and asking them questions. And so target marketing or attraction marketing are the two things that you want to learn. Pick one of them. Target marketing is like Facebook ads and retargeting. Attraction marketing is more like videos, content, SEO, blogging, things like that. Okay, so how to make more sales without being pushy is a very simple way. It's a very simple concept. First, stop trying to sell to people that aren't interested. Wow, fascinating concept, huh? Wow, like if someone wants Arizona tea and I'm trying to sell them water, um, I'm gonna be pushy right away, right? I'm being pushy immediately because I'm presenting them with something that they don't even want and I'm having to convince them. So, but if someone wants a water or they're thirsty, and I say, hey, you want a water? Yes. Here you go. And so when you ask someone a question about something that they already want, that's how you avoid being pushy. Does that make sense? So when you go to the gym, if you work out, one of the best things you can do is join an MLM like uh, Herbalife or Prove It or one of those, one of the keto health and wellness programs, and just go to the gym and talk to people and come up with like your like top 3 supplements or your 13 best bicep workouts or something like that, and and help people at the gym, right? Help people at the gym, generate some leads, and so that's a way to not be pushy, right? If I'm if I'm a if I'm a gym person and I work out and stuff, and then I go to like a gaming lounge and I'm like, whoa, wow, you gotta transform your life with this amazing powder, man. Like these gamers aren't gonna understand. They understand, they're smart, but they are not interested. So you're being pushy on them. So how to make sales and how to recruit in your business without being pushy is one, target marketing or attraction marketing. So get in front of the right people so that when you do ask them a question, hey, are you interested in Dragon Ball Z? Yeah. Okay, well, hey, would you be interested in checking out my Dragon Ball Z merchandise store? I just added a hat, I just added a shirt, I just added a necklace, and they're all, if you get them all together, it's actually 50% off right now. Just want to see if you want to check it out. No big deal if you don't want to. Yeah, I would love to check it out. No, there's no harm in checking it out. It's okay. Maybe I buy, maybe I don't. Maybe I buy one and check it out and see if it comes in the mail. And so you send them the link. They go on the website. Oh, that's cool. I like that hat. Add to cart. You get their email. They leave. They don't buy, and you follow up with them, right? And so, how to make sales without being pushy in reality is one, everything sales. Two, um, attraction marketing or target marketing, and three, ask them questions. Okay, so when you ask questions, you're not being pushy. Hey, are you are you interested in making more money from home? Is that pushy, or is this pushy? Hey, I just joined this cool company and they got an awesome compensation plan. You got to check it out. Which one's pushy? Obviously, the later one, right? But if you ask people basic questions, even just random people, like it's not pushy. Okay. Hey, are you into keto? No. Hey, are you into keto? What's that? Obviously, you're not a good fit for my company then. um, or if they're an overweight person and they want to get healthy, hey, have you ever heard of keto? No, I've never heard of keto. Well, you got to check this out, man. It'll really help you with the things that you're wanting to do. Okay, so you can be broad or specific with your marketing. That's another aspect of it. Like, um, if you're in a supplement company like Herbalife or whatever, you can target people that are hardcore gym people and workout people and yoga people, or you can target people that are broad, that understand that they should probably be losing weight and they just want a quick and easy way to do it, right? They want the quick and easy. Okay, so the broad wants the quick and easy, and the specific wants the how to, the tactics, the secrets. Okay, and so that's how you market to either side. In the middle are people that are like, well, I've tried this and I've tried that, and I don't really care. I'm more interested in like studying the Egyptians, and I'm more interested in like playing Call of Duty, and I'm not really into like supplements and health and stuff like that. And so in the middle, there's people that try it, but you don't want to do that. You want to get people that are like totally broad and they have no idea what keto is or no idea what um, intermittent fasting is, or you want to target people that are hardcore about it. So, how to make sales without being pushy. That's another aspect of it, and it's very important for your advertising. Um, and so, I'm gonna make this video. I'm gonna cut this video. And so again, how to make sales without being pushy is first of all everything sales. Okay. So if everything's sales, how do you do it? How do you do it fluidly? Well, you find people that are interested in what you have to offer, or at least somewhat targeted, right? If you're in Herbalife, just go to the gym and talk to people about stuff and give out stuff, right? You have some samples, you have maybe your own personal supplement thing that you made, combination of stuff and whatever, right? So come up with like a unique thing that you can give to people at the gym or whatever, and that'll be able to get you some leads without being pushy, right? And so that's one of the aspects of it. Another aspect of it is asking questions. Okay, you need to care about what they want, not say what you're excited about. There's a difference. People don't care about your excitement. They do, like it rubs off on them, and they like excitement. And humans are transmitters and receivers. We're like little antennas on this earth, and we transmit and receive not only knowledge from the universe, but feelings and emotions. When someone wants to fight you, you feel it in your liver, because the liver is the receptor of fear. And so different organs have different receptors. Okay, and I know this is very advanced knowledge, but it plays into how to make sales without being pushy. And so what you want to do is be able to ask questions. Okay? So asking questions rather than telling them what you're excited about. Okay? People love excitement, but if they're not interested in it, they're not interested in it. Like if I can say Goku all day long, and if nobody knows what it is, then nobody's excited about it. I can go to Walmart or just anywhere, a crowd of people, and be like, "Anime, Goku, my favorite," and people are like, but if someone's interested in anime and Goku, they'll be like, "Yeah, Kamehameha," like across the room, like, and so like it's kind of funny, but serious, right? So that's how you make sales without being pushy. Is you find the people that you're looking for, or somewhat targeted, and you ask them questions. Stop telling them about stuff. Stop telling them the compensation plan, and ask them what they're interested in and what their problems are, and listen to them. Okay. My problem in the workout niche is that I have stick arms. Um, and I want to get like bigger biceps, right? Well, actually, I want triceps and biceps because I like to do kung fu too. That's true. Um, this whole bicep tricep thing's not real, but so like you would come up with like a way to train me on biceps and triceps, right? So you're listening to my answers and you're customizing your solution to me. That's the ultimate trick of making more sales without being pushy. Okay? So let's role play on me. Hey Justin, great job doing I saw you doing that bench. That's awesome. I remember when I got past the 90-pound mark, and it was really exciting. I'm really happy for you. Thanks. Good job for working. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Um, what's your name? Oh, Jim. Great. Nice to meet you, Jim. Um, and then Jim comes up and he's like, "Hey, what's the number one thing you've been trying to work on?" "Oh, I've been trying to work on my biceps, Jim." "Oh, Justin, that's really cool, man. I love working on my biceps too, and I got this awesome three-step workout that will make your biceps look like this. Well, or nicer. And so, would you be interested in working with me on that little three-step workout, and and I can teach you that? Maybe it'll help you out." "Of course, Jim. I would love to learn from you about how to increase my biceps, which I just told you is my problem." And I'm gonna go work out with Jim, like, cause he's helping me with my problem, right? And so, what if Jim's a personal coach and he's like, "Hey, next time, um, what else do you want to work on?" "Well, I think I might want to work on my legs next time, and. Well, hey, how about next time you come in, you schedule an appointment with me, and we go through a 1 week free personal coaching training where I help you with your biceps, your triceps, and we'll go ahead and focus on legs too. How does that sound, Justin? Can we make an appointment for what time sounds good for you, Justin?" "Well, Jim, I think Wednesday at 6 p.m. sounds good because I get off of work at 5. Um, okay, sounds good, Justin. I'll see you. Let me put you in. Do 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 do. Okay, you're gonna get a text reminder. I'm gonna call you before. And does that sound good, Justin?" "Yeah, it sounds great, Jim. It sounds wonderful. Thank you so much for helping me with the problem that I told you that I have and helping me a little bit for free." That role play right there is exactly how you make sales. I hope you got video. I hope you got video from this value. Ooh, you did. I hope you got value from this video, my friend. My name is Justin Temple. I don't pull any punches. I tell you the truth about internet marketing because I've been in this industry for 9 years now, and so I've become a top 200 affiliate out of over 100,000. So I want to share with you the real secrets. And go ahead and click the link in the description below. Go ahead and get my free training on how to generate leads for your business and how to make more sales without being pushy. I'm going to cut this video. Appreciate you being here. Have a wonderful day, and go out and make sales and ask people questions rather than telling them what you're excited about. Go ahead and customize your solution to them. Okay? All right? If someone wants to work on biceps, don't sell them an ab course. Help them with their biceps. And then, if you're selling an ab course, say, "Hey, would you be interested in also doing your abs? Because what's the benefit of abs?" "Well, you this, that, your back is better, your da 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 da. Didn't you say you have some back problems? Abs would help out." "Oh yeah, you're right. Let me go and try the ab program." Well, it's $99. Oh, well, do you have like payments or something? Like, and then so like then it's about the money, right? You have payments, um, it, money back guarantee, um, things like that, right? How to close the sale. That's a different topic. But I'm gonna end this video. I know you got the point. I've given you a lot of value here. Um, Beginner, intermediate, advanced, 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 advanced stuff. Okay. So have a wonderful day. How to make sales without being pushy. Like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications for future videos. My name is Justin Temple, and you're going to click the link in the description below to take action on how to make more money without being pushy. Again, take action, click the link below, and I'll see you on the inside.